guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dominique. In today's video, I'm showing you guys my routine for longer looking lashes with no eyelash extensions, no false lashes, no glue, just your mascara, your eyelash primer, and eyeliner. So if you want to see my routine for longer looking lashes, then keep watching. One side is done and the other side is completely there. And this side we're going to do right now. So I'm starting off with the e.l.f. eyeliner. What I like to do is start off by lining the top waterline. I like to do this because it gives the illusions of you having fuller lashes or a lot of lashes on your lash lines. Then I add more liner on my actual lash line. So this is where your lashes sit. It already looks like I have more lashes than I do. And I also use this to spread out my lashes. Then I do my winged eyeliner. That helps to elongate your eyes. I'm going to take my comb slash brush little tool here. This is from Equal Tools. And I'm going to use that to separate my lashes. My lashes, since I was trying to grow them with this coconut oil and I kept doing like this with my lashes and going like this, like some of my lashes fell out, pulled out, and I kind of have like this little bald area right here. So I have to really arrange my lashes. Really, I was just wanting to coat them, but I ended up straightening them a little bit more so they're not as curly as they used to be. And I don't mind it because it was really difficult for me with mascara because it was always so curled in. But yeah, so I don't do that process anymore with the coconut oil on my lashes. If you want really elongated lashes, I suggest primer, using a good primer. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer in white. I really love this primer. Wipe off the excess product. I like to go right into the middle first and just brush it upwards. Then go into the inner corners and brush those lashes out. Apply your mascara before this dries. Close my eyelids so I can get the tips of my lashes and the outer corner of my lashes, and also I'm going to brush them in the direction I want them to stay in. So next I go a little closer to my lash line. I wiggle it up, I also push it back, up and back, and it looks longer. Also make sure to separate the lashes. I usually just add one coat, but you can add multiple coats. And then again, I kind of just push them back. I go in with my Maybelline Great Lash Very Black Mascara. If you have any excess product, just kind of wipe it down. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the primer. I start off in the middle and then start working my way out. Focusing in the middle part of my lashes and then moving upward towards the tips of my lashes. And again, separate them. I don't like too much of a chunky lash. And then I go into my lash line and wiggle the brush and go up. For my bottom lashes, I don't apply primer because I prefer my top lashes to be the dramatic part. Go in with the bottom lash line and just a little bit, not too much. And of course, mess ups are inevitable, so just wipe it off with your finger or a Q-tip. I suggest a Q-tip. So yeah, these are how my lashes turned out. I wanted to find a way to make my lashes pop without having to wear falsies and glue. I already have struggle lashes. I didn't want to add glue to my lashes and pluck the rest that I have out. I love how false lashes look, how they make your eyes pop. I don't know how to apply them on very well. I don't like wearing false eyelashes. I've worn them before and I don't like how they feel on my eyelids. They kind of feel like little caterpillars just sitting there, and I find it to be uncomfortable. So leave a comment down below if you have your own routine you'd like to share with everybody else. What products do you use to make your lashes look long? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.